Mountain of Roses. Today I'm going to demonstrate the four pillars of OOP or Object-Oriented Programming, and let's start with encapsulation. And encapsulation keeps data safe and controlled, making name and age private hidden from outside. Using public methods set and get to access or modify them. Main creates a person object, sets value and prints them. And let's try compiling this code. And second, we have a abstraction. So this demonstrates abstraction using a pure virtual function in the animal class. Only dog provides the actual implementation. Then let's try compiling this code. Then there's the result. And for the third part is inheritance. And so shape is the base with a color attribute. Circle is the derived class that inherits from shape. The constructor of circle calls the constructor of shape to set the color. Main creates a circle object and display its color. Then let's try to run this program. Then there's the result. And for the last part is polymorphism. And the base class animal has a virtual speak method which is overridden by derived classes dog and cat. In main, uh, in main, an array of an animal is created painting to a dog and a cat object. The speak method is called on each, and the correct sound woof or meow is printed due to a polymorphism. Is the dynamically allocated objects are deleted to prevent memory leaks. And let's run this code. And the compiler result is woof and meow. So this is my for demonstrating my four pillars of OOP or object oriented programming, and thanks for watching.